You've probably heard the phrase, big beautiful bill before. Maybe you rolled your eyes, or maybe you wondered what it even meant. But what if I told you that the bill being referred to might actually help you, the average American, more than you think? Stick around because today we're breaking down the hidden benefits of this bill that most people overlook, especially if you're an entrepreneur, a gig worker, or just trying to stretch every dollar. The phrase "big beautiful bill" became popular during Donald Trump's presidency, referring to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. At first glance, most media coverage focused on benefits for corporations and the wealthy. But here's the truth. It doubled the standard deduction. It lowered small business tax rates. It introduced bonus depreciation. A massive win for entrepreneurs. If you run a business, even a side hustle or a 1099 gig, this bill brought you a gift. The 20% QBI deduction. Qualified business income. That means up to 20% of your self-employed income could be tax-free. Example, make $50,000 freelancing, you could write off $10,000 automatically. No extra paperwork. And then there's bonus depreciation, allowing you to write off equipment, vehicles, even your home office furniture immediately. The Big Beautiful Bill also increased the child tax credit from $1,000 to $2,000 per child. For working-class families, this meant real cash back in their pocket. Plus, with the standard deduction nearly doubling, many people who used to itemize got to file faster and save more. Yes, the bill also reduced corporate taxes, but here's the trade-off. The US went from having the highest corporate tax rate in the developed world to a globally competitive level, attracting more jobs and more investment back to America. And here's the kicker, middle-class tax rates dropped too. The savvy took it a step further. Real estate investors used 100% bonus depreciation to wipe out their rental income taxes. Business owners formed LLCs to qualify for the QBI deduction. Investors got clarity on capital gains and Roth IRA strategies. If you're not learning to take advantage of this, you're leaving money on the table. Look, politics aside, this bill unlocked a lot of benefits. You just have to know how to use them. Like this video if you learned something. Comment "tax hack" if you want a free guide on small business write-offs. Subscribe for more breakdowns on how to legally build wealth and protect your income. This isn't financial advice, but it is financial awareness, and that's how we win.